Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling you about my new dog, Max. It's a boy. This is Max right here. I got him yesterday. He's really new. He's only 8 months. He's like, what?
Weeks.
He's 8 weeks old. Sorry about that. He's really soft. He had an accident this morning. Yes, in the house. I was like, oh. I don't know if he wants to get down, and then I'm just going to go get 2 of his favorite toys. So I'm going to get Max to come with me. And my mom's going to video it. And my mom's going to walk around. Okay. Max, Maxie, Max. Okay. He doesn't want to follow me, but I have to carry him. He's pretty heavy. He is 12 pounds, I think. And I'm just going to put him down. Okay, there we go. It's a Sheepadoodle. It's a Sheepadoodle. Half sheepdog, half poodle. Each week, this is probably his favorite, and he likes the squeaker in this. Look. I'm just going to go out of the video frame so he can look. Okay. Maxie. So that's going to be the end of my video. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Bye guys!